Blue ball lineup is a very interesting and difficult exercise to do at total clearance, compared to the simple lineup. You need to have combination of extremely good putting, precise cue ball control, concentration, and discipline. If you are a beginner or intermediate player, don't worry. In the beginning, try to put 2 reds, 2 blues, and gradually build as you get better with each step. In the video process, I will explain which cue ball height to play to have good position for the next ball, my shot selection or setting shots, and I will also explain my cue action, so you could play shots in more easy and smooth way. And now, let's start! You will notice in this exercise that you need to play lots of shots with the stun and screw back. The main reason is because cue ball in this way rolls less and cue ball control is much more predictable than with the topspin shots. You probably noticed that before every shot, I'm standing behind the aiming line, chalking my cue tip, stop for a second, and then do my shot approach. This is the great way to improve discipline, prepare your mind before the shot, and most importantly, makes your shot approach more consistent and reliable. As I mentioned before in other videos, it is important to stay still with your body and head during feathering and cue delivery. This method helps you better learn from mistakes, absorb, improve cue action, and play more consistent snooker. Sometimes, if I need to play with more power, I play 2 cushions positional play so I could control cue ball better. In this position, I have only 5 reds left, so I have to think how to make position for the reds who are closer to the black and pink ball spots. I'm already think 3-4 shots ahead, because I know that if I will put reds close to the blue ball spot right now, I will have more difficult positional shots in the future. If you want to improve your aiming, cue action, cue ball control, tactics and mental game, book online snooker coaching with a professional EBSA snooker coach, Vilius Schulte-Ebert. I made poor positional shot because I'm below blue ball spot, so I have to make simple roll-in shot and play for the next red, medium distance shot. This time I played well 2 cushions positional play and I have a perfect angle for the blue bow. When you have a correct angle, it is much easier to control cue bow. Two reds left, cue bow below blue bow spot. I have to play power stun shot and make 1 cushion positional play. Guys, smash the like button, ring the bell if you want to see our videos first, and if you are committed snooker fan or player, subscribe to our channel. See you later, folks.